Have you ever opened your cloud bill and found a surprise spike? That's what happens when your serverless API goes viral for the wrong reasons. Let's automate cost monitoring with AI anomaly detection so you never get caught off guard. First, you need to track usage and cost data. Most serverless platforms like AWS Lambda or Google Cloud Functions give you metrics for invocations, duration, and errors. You can pull those metrics into a simple database or time series store, something like DynamoDB or InfluxDB. Now for the AI part. Here's a simple anomaly detection function using a rolling average and standard deviation. This works surprisingly well for cost data. If the latest cost deviates more than 2 standard deviations from the average, it's an anomaly. When an anomaly is detected, you can trigger alerts via email, Slack, or SMS. You can even automate a response, like throttling the API or rolling back a deployment. This way, you're not just watching, you're acting. With this setup, you can sleep easy knowing your serverless API costs are under control. If you hit one anomaly, the system catches it within minutes. Start with a simple rolling average and upgrade to more advanced ML later. Try it out and watch your bills stay predictable.